Hello farmer friends and welcome to Discover Agriculture's YouTube channel. Today we are presenting solar fencing energizers at Krushi Store's stall in Pune. So we have three models to showcase here. So let us start with the smallest model that we have. This is the smallest model that we have and it is capable of fencing up to 10 acres, but for small animals only. This has the solar attachment, battery attachment, auto mode and every feature that is available in the larger models, but it is only capable of 10 acres. Now let us move on to the bigger model that we have. This is capable of 25 acres, but bigger animals also. This also has the solar attachment. It comes with 20-watt panel by default and it comes with a 12-volt, 12-ampere battery. This switch turns on or off the machine. This toggles between the high power or low power mode. This toggles between 12-hour and 24-hour mode. This turns on or off the siren. Here you can connect solar panel and here you can connect the battery, right? At the back of it, there are two terminals, earthing and phase. This is the current terminal, but both need to go through the fence for the best impact. Now this is the prime model that we have. It is called a CCM. This model is capable of fencing up to 50 acres and the same layout is here, but connectors are given on the side for better mounting on the poles, and same earthing and phase terminals at the back. With solar fencing energizer, we have very high quality accessories as well. These are the insulators that we sell: hook insulators, reel insulators, high strain corner insulators, spring attachment, gate attachment, everything is available. We generally use this clutch wire, 1.5 mm Tata galvanized clutch wire for fencing. But if you want, we can make your fencing in high tensile wire as well, which has a life up to 25 years. So if you get installation from us, be sure that you will get 25 years of life. Now the good thing about all of these models is that all of these models have 3 years of warranty. And if you get installation from us, where we will provide you labor, installation engineers and transport also, then we provide you services up to 10 years, right? And you can easily generate a quotation in 3 simple steps. All you have to do is scan that QR code, go to our website, fill out a very small form, and you will get an email with it within 10 minutes. That is how easy the process of getting quotation is. Thanks a lot for watching this small Discover Agriculture video. If you want more information, we have a complete playlist that has many more videos like this, which go into much more details in each aspect. Like there is a complete video about insulator, there is a complete video about wire. Thanks a lot for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you.